Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2015 65 reg Seat Leon 280 Cupra. Now this vehicle is actually supplied with a private registration that you see on it at the moment. So it's November 08 Tango Hotel Papa. The car itself is finished in this lovely racing red paintwork, which I think looks absolutely fantastic. Obviously suits the gloss black detailing to the exterior very nicely. So we've got the gloss black mirror caps. We're riding on the recently powder coated alloy wheels, which are in black as well. We've got gloss black detailing to the lower grills, obviously the centre grille at the upper there as well. We've got daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, privacy glass to the rear, nice sporty rear spoiler. It is a fantastic looking car. So the wheels, coming through to the wheels, we're riding on these lovely 19-inch 5 twin spokes. As I mentioned, they look like they've recently been powder coated, so they're in absolutely fantastic order, riding on really lovely tyres. We've got the red calipers then peeking through with the Cupra decals. Walking around the car, you can tell the car's truly been cherished by the previous owners, as it is a very nice example. So coming through to the back, nice sporty lower diffuser, dual exhaust. We've got the Cupra script, the 280 badge to the rear, saying that this is the performance model. But from any angle, a very sculpted looking vehicle. Coming through to the boot, quite a bit of luggage space to the rear, so as you can tell, a nice wide loading area, nice and low. You've got split folding rear seats, you've got the load through liner, we've got the parcel shelf there as well. Under here you'll find a space saver spur wheel, which is quite rare in newer cars these days, normally all tyre inflation kits. And then coming through to the driver's side, inside is a lovely cloth sports interior, but then you've got these nice white accents all throughout the car. So looking through there, straight away it's got a sense of occasion, so you've got this sort of white band which goes all the way on the door card. You've got the white detailing on the actual seat bolsters as well, a bit of leather flowing through. We've got the Cupra, which is imprinted into the lovely Alcantara centres. Coming through to the back, it's the exact same story. So Cupra, nice white detailing, part leather. We've got tailored Cupra floor mats all throughout the car with that similar sort of lighter band. So it looks superb. And then inside, we've got this sort of chrome red detailing just around the black plastics. You've got the white little speed pin needles, which I think look fantastic. It's just the little touches that sort of set this car apart from the normal vehicle. So once you're inside, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel, part perforated, flat bottom. Obviously you can control most things off of here, so you've got your lap timer, driving data, navigation, audio, telephone, vehicle status, and much more. We've got automatic lights. The vehicle is supplied with both keys. We've got park folding mirrors, front electric windows, central locking. Then coming through to the centre, obviously the Cupra is equipped with the technology package. So you get the nice screen in the centre there. We've got our front and rear parking sensors. You've got the full DAB radio, so all the extended channels. Media includes your Bluetooth phone, SD cards, USB, aux, etc. Telephone's nice and easy to connect your phone to. Satellite navigation, traffic info, obviously full car information as well. And then your main menu, so you've got your full link, you've got images, obviously you can adjust the sound, the bass, the treble, full setup, and much more. Selectable driving modes, which is just on the Cupra symbol there. So you've got comfort, sport, Cupra, and then individual. So you can actually change that, adjust every sort of aspect of the vehicle. We'll put that back into comfort. And then you've got two dual zone climate control. So basically The passenger can have a different climate to the driver, air conditioning, 6-speed manual transmission, again with that lovely Cupra logo, aux USB, central cup holders, central armrest which is then fully adjustable. But a lovely place to be. Inside it doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets, so ideal for non-smokers or if you've got allergies there. But a lovely vehicle. So if you'd like anything further on this car, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointment, so if you want to get in touch, please do, and we'll happily book you in. But thank you for watching the video, and we look forward to your inquiry.